Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Delta Force game on your PC. Guys, first open up Shrine browser and just search for the Steam. Then just open up the first Steam website. Then just click on this login option you are seeing on the right hand top. Guys, here simply sign into your account if you don't have an account. Then just create account on Steam. Guys, this is very simple and easy. After that, just click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. Guys, download the Steam and install it on your PC. Guys, this is also very simple and easy. So once you download and install the Steam, simply open it. Then just log into your account. Guys, then just click on the top search box and just type here the game, which is the Delta Force. Now once you type this game will appear on the top. So just open up this Delta Force game. Guys, once this page was open, here just scroll down and you will see the option of add to library. As you can see, this game is free to play, so just click on this add to library option. As you can see, this game is at your library of Steam. Just click on this option of OK, then just go to your library of Steam. Guys, on the left hand side, just find this game, just find the Delta Force. Guys, once you find the Delta Force, just click on this game, then just click on this option of install. And that's how you can download and install this game on your PC if you find this really helpful. So please like it and bye bye and take care.